Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Horingo.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Oil Country Tubular Limited. Oil Count UB is the ticker name, and this is the monthly technical chart of the stock, and this is the historical price chart of Oil Country Tubular Limited, and these are all the technical indicators that I deployed in the stock for analysis, and these are all the graphs generated by these technical indicators. Now, regarding the data, we have data since 2006 onwards up to 2017 November 19th. Okay, if you look at the historical price path pattern of the stock had reached its peak price as per the data we are having in January 2010 itself, and that time it was trading at nearly 145 rupees 96 pice, and today the stock is trading at 49 rupees 10 pice. Okay, so what happened? You can clearly see that the stock went down and a lot of downward movement, and it underwent two negative super influences, super trend phases, this one and this one, and though there is a positive super trend but phase, but it is a little bit short compared these two. And now again in January 2017 onwards, the stock had been under the influence of positive super trend mode. So that is the reason you can see a little bit spike here, the green candle here, a very big green candle from 38 rupees to 55. That month, literally, it rose by nearly 1670 rupees. And after that, again, it started going down. Okay, some consolidation phases are happening. But overall, if you look at the path pattern of the stock, the overall, this thing, if I keep the crosshairs here, and you can clearly see that 147 is somewhere here, and the stock is going down. Actually, if you try to join all the high points, the peak points, you can clearly draw a line which is going down. Okay, so in the long term, this thing of the stock is like, whoever had invested here, somewhere here, I don't think they had got that many. They had got benefited by that much. I'm pretty sure that this stock, because the peak price itself is 143, and that was also like 7 years 10 months ago, and the stock hadn't crossed its peak price, the previous peak price, and even today it is trading at literally 120 rupees, less than its peak price. Okay, so the recent spikes, here and there, wherever the blips, those are all just blips. Okay, the price spikes, whatever this stock is showing recently, those are all blips. Okay, but the stock cannot be considered, though it is right now under the influence of positive super trend mode, and it has crossed its 50-day and 20-day moving averages. I mean, in the first glance itself, I can, the initial conclusion is the stock cannot be considered for long-term investment. But anyway, I will dig into the analysis and then see actually what the guiding points are saying. If you look at the RSI is just playing around the midpoint, which is not strong. Direction strength has crashed, stochastics is down, and price volume is increasing, that we can clearly see, and momentum is had already crashed and playing in the negative zone. Balance of power is bearish, and LRA is showing a little bit of bullishness. But the point is both the balance of power and LRA both are in contradicting each other here. But if you go by LRA, then the stock is in a bearish mode, whereas the balance of power is in is in some sort of showing in a bearish mode. Overall, if you see the signals, the signals from the guiding points are most of them are all negative, and even the recent this particular business, Oil Country Tubular Limited, is into this drill pipes and all. It sells those drill pipes and related stuff and all those things. Actually, then recently the oil drilling oil industry was facing a very big problem, and so many places across the world, the drilling has the intensity of drilling has come down. So maybe because of that, the stock is going down, or but that is recently happened. Okay, but there is no explanation for this one. They actually, during this phase, 2012, 13, 14, that time oil industry was doing very good. This drill pipe industry was doing good. So, but still, this particular company was was not performing well even during that time also. The stock of the company. Exactly don't know what is the problem from market side, but the point right now from technical angle is the stock cannot be considered for long-term investment. We'll come back to this talk later after a few days, and then we will redo the analysis based on some new points. So until then, this stock cannot be considered for long-term investment. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.